Hey there, Jose here. Want to put together a quick little video of something that I saw, some opportunities that I saw with this company. I came across this company in a Facebook group where someone shared one of their posts. And I went to this ads library here to see if they were running any ads because, the post that they shared was a Mother's Day post and it was actually happened to be this one. So I came here to see how they're running their ads to see if there's opportunities. I definitely found some. So I wanted to share those with you so that you can also, if you're making these mistakes, you can also learn from them. So there's nothing wrong with their actual ads. I would definitely make some changes and some tweaks to them. But the biggest thing is when you hit shop now, right? They're promoting Mother's Day. But when you hit shop now, it takes you to their home page. So it takes you right to their homepage, which is there's nothing wrong with driving traffic to your homepage, but the ad specifically says Mother's Day, right? Pre-order Mother's Day. On their website, they have a Mother's Day page. So why not drive the traffic directly to the Mother's Day page right here so that as soon as someone lands on it, they not only did they see a ad for pre-ordering Mother's Day flowers, but then they also land on a page that's all about ordering Mother's Day flowers. And then it's very easy to scroll through and see all the different arrangements that they have specifically for Mother's Day. Much easier process. So that's a first opportunity there. Always drive your traffic to the exact page where you want people to take action. If you're talking about a specific product or a specific service, take them to that specific page about that product or service. The second opportunity that I saw here is that they are spending money on driving traffic to their website. So as people are clicking on these ads, they're coming to this website. They are missing a Facebook pixel. So as people are coming to their website, they're not able to remarket to the people that have visited their website. They're not able to create specific ads for people that have visited specific pages. So if someone visits a sympathy page, you can remarket to them to purchase a sympathy arrangement or a birthday arrangement if they went to the birthday pages. Or if they only went to the Mother's Day page, you can continue to remarket to them for the Mother's Day until they convert and purchase from you. So those are two opportunities that I found real quick, and I just wanted to share those with you. If you are also running Facebook ads, make sure that you are driving them to the appropriate page on your website related to whatever it is that you are speaking about. Especially if you're talking about a blog, don't send them to the homepage. Send them directly to the article, directly to what it is that you want them to see or whatever it is that you want them to do. And then also make sure to have your Facebook pixel installed because that allows you to create custom audiences, and then it allows you to create lookalike audiences, and it's just huge opportunities being missed right there without a pixel installed. So if you need any help with any of your Facebook advertising, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help and make sure that you're not making these same mistakes. All right, talk to you soon. Till the next one. Peace.